Mr. Hillol Shahapuddar, learned advocate, appearing for this is GR or CR case?
GR case.
State?
State my lord, Mr. Abhijit Sarkar is there, my lord. He's online, my lord.
Okay.
Virtually appearing.
Mr. Hillol Shahapuddar, learned advocate for opposite party number 2, complainant. You are the complainant?
Yes, ma'am.
Complainant. This is FIR for complainant. Does not raise any objection. In view of such submissions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, the revision petition stands dismissed as withdrawn. All connected applications, penny stands disposed of. Interim order penny stands vacated. Yes. Yes.
Wait for your lordship.
কি দিলেন ও কোথায় আছে
Devorshi Guru. Well, I'm for the opposite party. Number 2.
I'm leaving Mr. Devorshi, but he's appearing virtually.
Opposite party.
আমি অন্যজনের অ্যাপ্লিকেশনে কি আছে
Item number 2, lordship.
I'm for the state, your lordships. Item number 2.
This is a GR case, sir?
Yes, sir.
GR. When was this interim order granted?
It was granted
18th of December 2024. What is the name is expired? I am for the petitioner, lordship. My junior brother is there with the affidavit of service, lordship. Item number 2, I am for the petitioner.
Is there any
There is an application for extension of the interim order.
can it go there? CRAN 1 is there.
I will record my objection.
CRAN 1 of 2025. This is an application for extension of interim order. Mr. Devorshi Dhar, learned advocate, appearing through virtual mode, seeks for extension of the interim order. The affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record.
Lordship, extension may kindly for
Mr. Navankur Paul, learned advocate, appearing for opposite party number 2, does not raise any objection.
I raise objection, my lord.
Opposes such prayer for extension of interim order. Learned advocate for
state lordship also objections for kindly limited period, otherwise it will not be concluded, your lordships.
Navankur Pal, learned advocate for the opposite party number 2, as well as Mr. Abhijit Sarkar, learned advocate for the state opposite party, appearing through virtual mode, opposes such prayer. In view of the submissions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, the interim order granted earlier on 18 December 2024 is extended for a period of 4 weeks or until further order, whichever is earlier. Let the matter
Obliged.
And 1 of 2025 stands disposed of. Let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench.
Yes. Obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, for item number 3, I appear on behalf of the petitioner. Lordship, the interim order was granted on the 8th of January. The CRAN 1 was filed on 28th of January. Lordship, it's expiring today, 31st of January. I'm praying for an extension.
Very well. This is an application for extension of the interim order. Oh yeah, who is for the opposite party?
Lordship, we have duly served them multiple times. They are not appearing. Affidavit of service may be kept
Filed on
on
behalf
record.
of the petitioner is taken on record. CRAN 1 of 2025. This is an application for extension of interim order. Ms. So and so learned advocate appearing for the petitioner through virtual mode seeks for extension of the interim order granted earlier on 8 January 2025. 8th.
Yes, Your Lordship, 8th January.
None appears on behalf of opposite party number 2. State is represented. In view of submissions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, the interim order granted earlier on 8th January 2025, 2025 is extended for a period of 4 weeks or until further order, whichever is earlier.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
And 1 of 2025 stands disposed of. Let the matter be placed before the next available circuit bench.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
ঠিক করে টাইপ করবেন না, অনেক সময় লেগে যাবে না আপনাদের, তাহলে দেওয়াটাতে ক্যান্সেল করে দেবেন। ঠিক করে দেখে কালকে যেরকম বলেছি ওইভাবে সাজিয়ে দেবেন।
Lordship, I'm for the state, Lordship.
Interim order was granted till 31st of January today.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Mr. Anirban Banerjee, learned advocate. Any application? No.
No, Lordship.
Mr. Anirban Banerjee, learned advocate, appearing for the it has returned back.
Yes, Lordship. Opposite party number 2, it has been said that the door block. Door block.
Office party number 2, no, sorry, appearing for the petitioner seeks for extension of the interim order. State is represented. Let the interim order granted earlier on 18 December 2024 is extended for a period of 4 weeks or until further orders, whichever is earlier. Let the matter be placed before the next available circuit bench.
Lordship, may I intimate once more? Because
Petitioner is directed to
there are 2 addresses.
petitioner is directed to serve notice along with copy of the application have phrase upon the opposite party number 2 through registered speed post with acknowledgement due and file affidavit of service on the returnable date. Next.
Lordship, I'm meeting behalf of the petitioner. Extension stay was granted on December 20, 2024. It's valid till today, Lordship.
Service.
Lordship, ideas served, but the address could not make it. Return back. Will
Serve again. Mr. So and so learned advocate appearing for the petitioner seeks for extension of the interim order granted earlier on 20th December 2024. You are for the state.
Yes, Lordship, I'm for the
State is
state.
represented. It is informed by the learned advocate for the petitioner that service upon opposite party number 2 would not be affected. He seeks to file a phrase. Petitioner is directed to serve notice along with copy of the application phrase upon the opposite party number 2 and file affidavit of service on the returnable date. The interim order granted earlier on 20th December 2024 is extended for a period of 4 weeks or until further order, whichever is earlier. Let the matter be placed before the next available circuit bench.
Much obliged.
Okay. On the floor of
Lordship, item number 6.
item number 6, it will appear before the next circuit bench.
My lord, this is a confusion, my lord, whether your Lordship's court will take or court
No. That's why I'm making it before the next available circuit bench. the Honorable Chief Justice will determine who will do it.
Right, my lord. Gratefully.
On the prayer of the learned advocate for the petitioner, release this matter before the next available circuit bench.
Gratefully.
Next.
Yes, Milord, in item number 7, I am for the respondent. May I permit to appearing in virtual mode? In item number 7, I am for the respondent. The settlement process is going on. Therefore, I am praying for time.
Haven't I considered? Oh, CO. Who is for the petitioner?
Mr. Bilodal Gupta appeared in this matter last occasion. The settlement process is going on, my lord.
और की भाव तो सेकंड पे हो बेटा सिविल की भाव तो सेकंड पे हो পুরি যেমন লোককে নিশ্চয় মেনশন করেছিল এটা দেখো রিগান লামা দেবব্রত রাই Mr. Banerjee, Regan Lama is a practicing advocate of this court. Mr. Regan Lama.
My lord, he is practicing at Darjeeling court, not circuit bench.
Devobroto
District
Rai.
court.
দেখো তো কে মেনশন করেছিল ম্যাডাম এ তো কোনো নামও দেয় না
In this regard, my lord, they do not service before mentioning or after mentioning.
না না যারা বিটকে স্লিপ নিচ্ছে দেখছে না কোন অ্যাডভোকেট দিল কি বিটকে দেখো তো কি করে বার করবো ওটা কে দিয়েছিল
My lord, kindly vacate the extension or vacate the interim order.
Vacate. You say
I
that
am paying for vacate. I am paying for vacate.
ওখানে দেখেন ওখানে তো জলপাইগুড়ি থাকবে এই
Hey, who is for the petitioner?
My lord, there was a network error. I am on behalf of the petitioner, my lord. The last interim relief that was order that was given was on 5th of October, my lord, and extension
Of 2024.
My lord, further yes, my lord.
This is an application for extension of the interim.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And the extension period is throughout this January, my lord. That is today is the last day for this interim extension, my lord. And my lord, my prayer is kindly admit this in the next circuit, my lord, as senior counsel below Bhattacharya, sir. He's also going to appear on this matter, my lord. And I would like to pray, my lord, that this matter might be this interim might be extended, my lord, and a suitable date may be given in the next circuit, my lord.
Well,
So
the settlement process is going on.
Can 1 of 2024.
Yes, my lord.
This is an application for extension of the interim order. Mr.
Devobroto Rai, my lord.
Devobroto Rai. ক্যানটাই তো নেই ক্যান ওয়ানটা কোথায় আছে দেখুন
My lord, on the last on the last occasion, my lord, the application was not filed, my lord, as
The application for extension holo, Mr. Devbroto Rai, learned advocate for the, you are plaintiff
yes, my lord.
for the,
My lord, I am the petitioner in this.
learned advocate for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. But in the lower court title suit, I am the
Seeks
respondent.
for extension of the interim order granted earlier on 5th October 2024. Mr. So-and-so learned advocate appearing for the respondent, opposite party submits that a talk of compromise is going on between the plaintiff and the defendant. Para, in view of the submissions advanced on behalf of the petitioner, the interim order granted earlier on 5th October 2024 is extended for a period of 4 weeks or until further order, whichever is earlier. This is matter before the next available.
Highly
Faithful, my
obliged.
lord.
Highly obliged.
And 1 of 2020. And this.
Highly obliged.
I don't know, I am the petitioner of it. I believe in service.
I'm applying for the state. Lordship. State. Lordship.
Why is
Opposite
this
party number
State,
two.
because of the HDO, order of HDO, earlier bench has been allowed me to implicate the HDOs. Therefore, state should be the required party. Because of the interim order passed by the London subdivision magistrate, and therefore London court predecessor has, honorable court predecessor has asked me to implicate the party.
Granted to implicate state. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record.
The extension.
Can 1 of 2025. This is an application for extension of the interim order granted earlier on 20th December 2024. Mr. Bhaskar Rai Mahashaya, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner, seeks for extension of the interim order. State is represented. Service not affected.
Simon, the service has stated the item delivered
To the sender.
Sender, me, but I didn't receive. Nothing there. My
Affidavit,
my lord can give me a opportunity.
You can record. The interim order granted earlier on 20th December 2024 is extended for a period of 4 weeks or until further order, whichever is earlier. Petition is directed to serve afresh upon the opposite party number.
1.
Opposite party number 1 and file through registered speed post with acknowledgement due and file affidavit of service on the returnable date.
So my formal objection may be.
State is represented. Or can I bolo din je Mr. Honorable Manager, an advocate for the state, opposes such prayer. Let the matter appear before the next available circuit bench. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a very pleasant experience this time.
Yeah,
No.
so experience.
Very good.
We hope again we can.
Yes, definitely I'll come back. Thank you.
Thank you, Lord.
রিলিজ করে দিয়েছে তো রিলিজ হবে আবার। হ্যাঁ, তো করেছে আমি কালকে যেই দেখলাম আমাকে বললো এটা আছে আমার।
অজয় লিস্ট করেনি তো,
হ্যাঁ
তোমার কথা কেউ শুনছে না।
তাই তো কেউ শুনছে না আমার কথা।
আমি তোমার পাওয়ার কমে যাচ্ছে, আমি দেখি। তোমাকে ধরো ডায়নামো দিয়ে চার্জ করতে হবে, না তো হবে না। অজয় সিংহানিয়ার কথা শুনছে না সার্কিট বেঞ্চে, এটাও সম্ভব?
কেন সম্ভব না আপনার?